boys, I'm alive. This is crazy. Hey man, you know, wedding stuff going on right now, that's how it goes, and I haven't seen you guys in like 2 weeks. Quick giveaway, bro! Oh yeah, little mystery box of a bunch of jewelry I have lying around the house. Just comment thumbs up down below. This, for instance, right here, you know, you can win that. A bunch of other things. Down below, just comment thumbs up. Really appreciate you guys. I miss you a ton. I'm not gonna lie, too. My girl's on her way to her bachelorette party. I just had a few jello shots, so let's see how this goes, huh? Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. It's not going good. I'm a little sweaty. I'm spending all day out in the sun, chilling with the girls, you know what I mean? And then they're like, yeah, this is a girl-only event, Bran. Stay with us. No. Anyway, we actually have a really cool... let me start it off this way. I asked you guys what you want to see. I like to do a bunch of random stuff, but a lot of times you guys are saying all the time... a lot of times you're saying all the time, I don't know, something like that. Brand more jewelry. Well, luckily for you, we got another jewelry video. Actually, while I've been gone with YouTube, I've been buying a lot of jewelry, so we've got other videos to do that with. But we got HARLEM Bling today, boys. They sent us over another package. I don't know if you guys remember the last one. They sent us a bunch of like moissanite diamond jewelry. Really, like for the price, the best stuff I've ever seen. So it was a no-brainer to not do another video with them. To do another video, it was a no-brainer to... These jello shots, bro, they're hitting me a little bit. A lot. I'm sweating on my ass right now. Like, my ass has never been so soaked. It's like freaking like I sharded or something. Can you say that on YouTube? I'm not gonna bleep that one. Shart. Maybe? We'll test it. If this is demonetized, then we know why. Anyway, boys, HARLEM Bling. Like I said, we did a video with them in the past. It was so dope, and I really dug their stuff. I'm like, yo, let's do it again. Let's unbox. They have this stuff here. Now, this is what our challenge is today, boys. All I know is something, or two items are moissanite. Moissanite is like a diamond that'll pass a regular diamond tester, which we have right here. And the other one is like, and they're all silver too. And the other one is like, not moissanite, but should look set. I don't know. We'll see. Like I say, boys, I'm gonna be brutally honest. This is why these series never work out for me when I'm doing things with companies, because I'm a little too honest and they don't really like that much. I'm just gonna be real. So we'll see what they have, boys. I guess we'll just go through it. I've been stoked to open this up. It just got in yesterday, boys. A new diamond jewelry. What are we gonna call it? I don't know what we're gonna call it yet. We have to see it. All right, boys, let's go. So I think there should be 3 pieces in here. I'm just holding this down here. Okay, yeah, let's go. Yeah, so we got 1, we got 2, and then we got 3. I already know what that is because I know the packaging. Boys, HARLEM Bling, check them out down below. 99.9% of their stuff is sterling silver. You've already seen my last review. I dig them a lot. And I'm not gonna lie to you, which is like the best part of it. So watch and see. I mean, even though, you know, we're kind of working together here. If I don't like it, I don't like it. Maybe that breaks our little bond we have going on here. Anyway, okay, so, shit. Let's go. Okay, this is dope. The first things I see, I guess we got 2 moissanite pieces. Once again, moissanite passes like regular diamond testers, A lot better than your average diamond. That's fake. I don't know. I don't really know. We got these right here, which means we have 2 things. We're gonna have to take a guess. GIA certified. We got a little card here. I'm gonna chuck it. Sorry, HARLEM Bling, but that is what it is. I don't really care that much. I don't want to actually look at what's in this because it'll show what the piece is. And then we have another one. Same thing. GIA certified. GRA. My bad. GIA is different. Another card. We're gonna toss it. It's a nice looking card, dude, but like I don't need it. So HARLEM Bling, what do you got for us, bro? And listen. Possibly, unless I really want to wear it, possibly this will be something I give away with the giveaway I just started with. We're gonna start with what I already know. This one. Alright, yeah, so I already kind of know what this is gonna be. It's gonna be a ring. They keep it in the same box. Packaging looks like a bull's testicle. Nice. Little smoother. Awesome. Definitely not bull testicle, actually. Yo, let's go! Let's go! So this might be one, oh my, dude, let's go! I've been looking at my rings. I wear a white gold watch now. The old one, anyway. I got, all my rings are like, damn, like yellow, you know? Something to match. Definitely fits the finger. This is a size 9. Dope. We're gonna leave that off to the side. We're gonna diamond test all these. I think that one's probably the moissanite, for sure, with their rings. The quality's dope. Inside, obviously, is a little bit like hollowed out, which is generally what you're gonna see on any like real ring of sorts, a real gold ring. Yeah, see, this one's 925! Straight all the way through, 925, not plated, it's actually silver. That's why you save a little bit of money, because that part in there is a little hollow, is what I assume. Oh, dude, I'm just gonna wear this. Okay, next. I've given unboxing forever, dude. I'm so stoked for this. All right, next. This seems smaller than this. We'll go on to this. This, I actually now think I know what it is. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. I asked for earrings, boys, on my bachelor. Yeah, it is, for sure. On my bachelor party, I got in a little bit of scrap and I lost both my earrings, but... Oh, let's go. Wait, did he send me two? So these might be moissanite as well, dude, because it came... Oh, we're gonna have to test those gold, diamond earrings, moissanite, possibly. We're gonna have to test them. Oh, dude, I have to put one of them in right now. And I'm gonna tell you right now as well, these will be silver because 99.9% of everything they have is silver, which is great because you put anything else in my ear, bro, I'm getting like eardrum holes or whatever. Like, it just looks like a herpes on my ear because I got ear infections. Let me just put these on real quick. I'm gonna show you guys. Come back. The other ones, I'm not gonna put the gold ones in, I don't think. Where the fuck? I fucking lost them. Oh, shit. Oh, I found them. Okay, right here. Really, really nice. We'll keep those for diamond testing. I assume these are the same in different colorway. Then we'll get into the last. This ring, bro, is so sick. But I really want to know past the damn diamond tester. You know, you get moissanite, it's supposed to. So I'm here for the boys, man. And I'm pretty sure these rings are around like $100 each, which is pretty good too. I really do think these guys, right now, just looking, are probably the best for the price diamond jewelry you're ever gonna see, in my opinion, or from what I've seen at least. I don't know how to, I'm gonna have to go ask my girlfriend and her 9 friends that are out there for a damn bachelor party. I'm just gonna look like an ass. Sir, can you help me unlock my earrings? Oh god. Oh, I'm just doing it wrong. Oh, they're not pull-offs. Okay. That's one other thing to note. They're actually the screw-ons, which I really, really dig. The pull-offs always come out of your damn ear. I had to turn it back on here. I'm actually really scared about having holes in my body, dude. My earrings, last time I lost them was about 3 weeks ago. Ow. Ow. I kind of closed up. There'd be a little blood in this review. I'm actually going to turn this off. I'm going to pass out. Alright, that was kind of heavy. We're in. I'm not going to lie. I didn't pass out. I did the first time getting my ears pierced. I swear to God, I just re-pierced them. That closed up a lot more than I thought. Got one in. We'll get the other one in. Come back to you guys. Dude, I'm getting actually the sweats right now. That freaks me out. That's my bad. Not on Harlem Bling. Oh, I really, oh God, I'm actually terrified right now. And I'm feeling kind of weak. Alright, boys, next earring. You guys want content. You want to see old NameBran here freaking faint, which kind of I hope I do for the views. Alright, here we go. Next earring. Ah, I'm re-piercing these right now. I didn't think after 3 weeks it'd close up so much. Or maybe I'm just a baby. I think we solidified that with my last clip. Oh, dude. Yeah, they did close up. That was a little scary. Get a little lightheaded again. Alright, boys, we're gonna come back. We're gonna check out the next thing. I'm gonna take a glass of water real quick. And we're back. New earrings, who dis? Oh shoot. They might be a bit large for my damn eardrums, but they look pretty damn good actually. Anyway, boys, so we got those on. We're gonna diamond test this. I want to see what's moissanite and what you guys think. This right here, I already opened it up, sorry, off camera. Oh, it is a chain. It is. I just got... See, that's nice. Now, so anything he said, it, oh, yep, 925. All sterling silver. No matter what passes or doesn't, you're still wearing a giant chunk of silver around your neck. Boys, link down below for sure, because I do dig this a lot, dude. You guys know I don't like wearing like the fake diamonds. I'm gonna wear this out tonight for sure. I swear to God, and I just kinked it up like a damn idiot. All right, boys. The next one right here, it's a little kinked up, that's my bad. It looks like a Cuban chain. The diamonds are really freaking good on it, bro. The diamonds are really, like the actual clusters, like I've seen a lot of real jewelry. I've seen a lot of fake jewelry. You guys know that. These clusters, like, how they set them are actually, I'm gonna put it out there. You know, you see Shop GLD and stuff like that. They charge a lot more money, and this quality is, I would say, even better because Shop GLD's isn't even silver. You feel what I'm saying? That's why I keep wanting to work with these damn boys. Holy shit. Fuck! That's what to swear. That right there, it's like solid silver. Somebody's like, oh, what's going on, man? Is that real? Yeah, it's real. You got freaking silver on it. 925. Test my diamonds if you want there. All right, now we're going into the diamonds. I'm freaking out right now. I'm still getting the freaking meat spins over poking my ears. Diamond tester engaged, boys. Harlem Bling. You guys let me know. Sorry if I didn't show that all in like the perfect. There's just no, you have to see it in person. Video actually does it quite well. It really does. You guys know I'm not gonna lie to you either. Clasp is nice. Also, you always want to look for diamonds on the clasp as well. A lot of people cheap out, and the clasp also has not one spot where you can click it in. I'm just not doing it right. My hands are slippery. I'm sweating up my ass right now. But the other one does it as well. And my hands aren't working right now. This is sick though. Harlem Bling, diamond tester engaged. We got this last video. Look at this, dude. All right, let's go, boy. Message what you think down below. Earrings, what are they? Moissanite, this moissanite, or chain moissanite, or all three, or two of whatever. That'll probably also help you win my little giveaway I got going on right here. So we're just gonna let this heat up, boys. We all know I got my real ring somewhere here. I can't find it. If it's real, it's going all the way up to the red. Or even like moissanite, you feel what I'm saying? So that green's gonna turn red. It should be heated. Do the ring, I'm pretty sure that's already moissanite. Boom, just like that. Let's go! That could be a good video title. I think the earrings, okay, we'll do the earrings next. Well, okay. All right, we'll do the earrings. This is the gold ones we got. That's what I thought. Moissanite is all hell. For a good price too! Hold on, I wanna check these ones. There we go. That's sick, that's sick. So the chain must not be. And we'll check it. So not moissanite on the chain. However, everything is freaking silver bar. Anyway, boys, Harlem Bling. It's sick. Appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you to Harlem Bling. Links down below if you guys want to shop. I actually don't care. If you guys dig what you saw, then shop it. You guys know I'm real. You still might look a little big on me. I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm definitely keeping this on. Appreciate y'all for watching. We got a new video out tomorrow, the next day. Let's go. Glad to be back, boys. Really. Although I'd like to be a lot less sweaty this next time. And I'm gonna wear this right now.